right, welcome to the Tech Corner. I'm George Tsilis, Senior Markets Contributor here on the Schwab Network. Today we're going to be highlighting cybersecurity company Crowdstrike. The company primarily offers its cybersecurity solutions through its Falcon platform. This offers customers a wide array of protection services, including endpoint and data security, cloud workload and identity protection, as well as vulnerability management and threat intelligence. The Falcon platform is recognized for AI-driven capabilities which allow it to adapt quickly to evolving cyber threats. The company also serves a diverse range of industries. This includes technology, healthcare, financial services, and even the government. Recent innovations include automation and AI-powered workflow solutions to provide comprehensive real-time threat detection and prevention. Also, the company now offers next-generation security information and event management solutions, which is another growth area for Crowdstrike. Now, Crowdstrike faces many competitors in its space. These include companies like Palo Alto Networks, SentinelOne, and even Fortinet. Now, these companies provide similar cybersecurity solutions and compete for market share in endpoint security, cloud security, and identity protection services. Now, Crowdstrike's unique value proposition lies in its AI-native Falcon platform. This platform offers comprehensive cloud-native cybersecurity solutions through a single lightweight agent. The platform's ability to consolidate fragmented security solutions aims to reduce complexity and enhance protection for its clients. This integrated solution sets Crowdstrike apart from its competitors. Also, extensive use of artificial intelligence and automation in its product services enables rapid response times and high efficiency. This also makes it a leader in the cybersecurity space. Now, the most recent news for Crowdstrike occurred back on March 4th, where the company reported its fiscal Q4 2024 earnings and sales. The company posted a non-GAAP EPS of $1.03. This was higher by 8.4% compared to the same quarter last year. They also beat the estimates by about 17 cents. For quarterly revenue numbers, the company posted $1.06 billion. That was higher by 25.4% year over year, and they also beat the estimates by about $20 million. Now, a few other highlights the company mentioned for the entire fiscal year 2025. Average recurring revenue grew by 23% year over year. Full year subscription revenue grew 31% year over year. And the company also posted a full year record operating cash flow of $1.38 billion. Most importantly, a record full free cash flow of $1.07 billion. Now, a few other things to mention in the fiscal year 2025 earnings for Crowdstrike is its aforementioned adoption of Falcon platform, with customers increasingly consolidating their cybersecurity needs into a single platform. Now, a few other positive attributes to consider in the fiscal year numbers for Crowdstrike. Its Falcon model has accelerated module adoption. Customers utilizing the platform are increasingly consolidating their cybersecurity needs on a single platform. Now, this is reflected in its financial performance. If you look at the fiscal year 2025 total contract value, this number reached $6 billion. It's actually growing about 40% year over year. This also reflects end customer scalability and long-term commitment to the Falcon platform. Another important metric that the company reported was over $1 billion in free cash flow. This also reinforces strong financials and long-term compounding growth. These segments include cloud security, identity protection, as well as next-generation security information and event management. Collectively, these businesses derived $1.3 billion in ending average recurring revenue. This was 50% year-over-year growth. Now, despite these impressive figures, there are also some concerns we have to address. Crowdstrike's fiscal year 2026 guidance indicates a slowdown in recurring revenue, which also raises concern about its ability to recover from its past July outage and retain customer trust. For example, if you look at revenue growth estimated for fiscal year 2026 at around 24%, this is meaningfully less than its five-year average of over 47%. The other thing is Crowdstrike presents a very challenging valuation landscape. For instance, its forward PE ratio of 97 is significantly higher than the sector median of 22. This high multiple reflects a very expensive stock, not only relative to its own historical averages, but also relative to its sector peers. Now, the company boasts strong profitability in some areas. For instance, gross margins are over 75%. This is higher compared to the sector average around 50%. However, net income remains negative. Net income over the last 4 quarters was negative 0.49%. This is a significant improvement considering the 5-year average of negative 9%. Now, looking at the technical picture for Crowdstrike, price momentum is mixed. Looking at the 6-month performance of 35% growth, This indicates bullish sentiment. However, if you look at the 1-year price performance, it's only slightly positive by about 4%. The recent 3-week sell-off also indicates the stock is testing its 50-week moving average. This is important because it represents an institutional level of support. The last break of this institutional level of support was due to the 2024 outage. Now, in summary, Crowdstrike is obviously a cybersecurity leader in both the public sector as well as the private sector. Its growth is fueled by increasing Falcon Flex adoption, AI-driven innovation, as well as record-breaking average recurring revenue. Strategic focus on AI-enabled security modules and its single platform solutions helps it create a competitive moat, and this is perhaps why it's trading at a lofty valuation. With aggressive expansion in growth areas such as cloud security, identity protection, as well as next-generation security information and event management, plus a $6 billion pipeline and record-breaking free cash flow, Crowdstrike is not just demonstrating growth, it's demonstrating it's becoming the backbone of modern cybersecurity. Next week on the Tech Corner, we're going to feature Microsoft. This mega-cap tech company has fallen to a 52-week low alongside recent selling in the overall markets. In terms of tech earnings, it's a relatively light week. A couple of names to mention include Jabil Circuits as well as DRAM manufacturer Micron Technologies. That'll do it for this week's Tech Corner. Please like and subscribe to the Schwab Network. I'm George Tsilis. We'll see you next week.